श्री भगवान उवाच लोके अस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञान योगेन सांख्यानां कर्म योगेन योगिनाम. Hello friends, this is the third shlok of the third chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says Shri Bhagwan Uvach, which means Shri Krishna said, Loke asmin dvividhanishtha, which means in this world there are two types of devotion. Pura prokta maya naga, which means been spoken by me previously, O sin free. Jnana yogena sankhyanam, which means through Jnana yoga, which is the path of the Sankhyas or the path of the knowledge. Karma yogena yoginam, which means through the Karma yoga, which is the path of the yogis. So, in this shlok, Shri Krishna is giving the answer to the question that has been put up by Arjun, where he said that you are telling me that the path of knowledge is superior to the path of work, and so why are you putting me into this work which is a very heinous kind of work? So that was the question that was put forth by Arjun, and Shri Krishna is answering to that question by first telling him that there are two paths for attaining spiritual merit, and these two paths are the path of the knowledge, which is the path of the Sankhyas, and the path of the action, which is the path of the yogis. So he is saying that both the paths are actually there for attaining spiritual merit. Neither one is actually superior to the other one, like the way in which Arjun had put up that the path of knowledge is superior. So he was thinking like that, but over here Shri Krishna has clarified to him that both the paths are actually the valid paths for attaining spiritual merit, and neither one of them is actually superior to the other. So he said that the two paths are the path of knowledge and path of action, and the path that you have to choose, and that is what Shri Krishna is going to tell in the next few shloks, will depend on your own swadharma, or on your own predestined duty, or you can say it's something which has come your way. So your own situation and your own temperament, based on that you can choose either one of them, and both of them are valid paths, is what he is going to tell him. So the focus, he says, is mostly going to be towards the duty. So the path of knowledge is actually a path which is more suitable to the people who are more inclined towards a thinking mindset. These are the people who have an analytical mindset and who are very reflective, and they observe everything and they try to make sense of it. They try to understand the universe. They try to understand the underlying things beyond what they are seeing. So this kind of attitude, if a person has, which is a very analytical sort of an attitude, then that person can follow the path of knowledge, while there are certain people who have the tendency of working. They are very active, they take interest in the things going around them, and they want to interact with it, and they are active. So for them the path of action is a more appropriate path, where they do all their actions selflessly, without the wish for fulfilling their own desire, but just basically acting in a selfless manner to increase the welfare in the whole universe. So these two paths both lead to self realization, and on top it might appear that these two are different paths, but if this both the paths are pursued for a long period of time, then both the people actually end up in the same situation, where a person who is more focused towards analytical reasoning will then realize that he should act selflessly, while a person who will act selflessly will soon realize all the knowledge that the person who through knowledge had attained it. So both of them eventually end up in the same situation, and therefore we will see in the coming shloks how Shri Krishna will tell Arjun that, do not focus too much on which path to take, but mostly focus on the duty that is prescribed to you. So that is the message in this shlok. I hope I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I will close this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.